Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Ayodhya series of Kathamrit. I am standing at a very beautiful kund which is called the Surya Kund. Yes, it is evening and it is beautifully lighted up. This kund is believed to have been built by the Ikshvaku kings or the kings of Lord Ram's ancestors as a dedication to the sun god who is the origin of the solar dynasty, the dynasty to which Lord Ram belonged to, Suryavanshi Raja. They were all belonging to the solar dynasty. It is believed that we all know that Surya Dev helps build up our immunity and gives us good health and nourishes life. So this was a temple dedicated to Surya Dev. It is also known as Prachin Kund or Ghoshark Kund. There are a lot of Ghoshark Tirth. There are a lot of stories associated with this particular Kund. It is believed that when Lord Ram was born, Surya Dev actually came down to have darshan of Lord Ram and he stopped his chariot over here. That is when the Kund appeared. Then there are other stories which say that when Lord Ram was supposed to be coronated as king, so during his coronation ceremony, Lord Ram came here and this is exactly where he stopped his chariot so that he could attend the coronation ceremony. It is believed that at that time when Lord Surya Dev stood here, one day became almost like a month. That is the power of the sun god attending this coronation ceremony. In the 19th century, King Darshan, that is about 2 years back, he unearthed an idol of Suryadev which is installed in a temple nearby. There was also a Shivling. So the temple has got a very beautiful idol of Suryadev along with a small idol which was unearthed from the Kund itself. The Skand Puran also has a mention of this Suryadev temple. It is known in the Skand Puran, it is mentioned as Ghoshark Kund or Ghoshark Tirth. According to the Skand Puran, it is said that once the king Ghosh of the Solar dynasty, he went hunting in the forest and his hands got infested with a worm infection. When he came here, he saw some sages taking a dip in the holy water and coming out revived. When he spoke to them, he got to know that this waters of the Kund help heal all the skin diseases of anybody who takes a holy bath in the river. King Ghosh immediately took a dip in the river, in the Surya Kund, and all his skin ailments vanished. There is also a story that King Charak also got rid of his own skin ailments when he took a dip in the holy water of Surya Kund. Suryadev is the Kul Dev of Ikshvaku kings. There is a laser show which is held at Surya Kund every evening. It is very beautiful, amazing, which shows the story and depicts the story of this particular place. The Kund has about 25 Surya Stambhas or pillars in the temple complex, which are very intricately carved. This is also a cultural area. It is very beautifully maintained. Believe me, Ayodhya is not worth just one visit of Ram Lala temple. Ayodhya means you have to come here, stay for 3 days, soak in the beauty of the place, soak in the fervor of the spiritual feeling that you get over here. Each and every place has got an amazing feel to it, lovely stories attached to it. So thank you so much for joining with Kathamrit. Looking forward to more interactions with many of you again. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna.
बहुत ही सुंदर सूर्य कुंड है ये।